Hi, have you ever wondered if you could make images with AI? If you did, you're in the right place. And if you didn't, you're also in the right place. So before we start in a video, what's AI? Artificial intelligence, AI, is when machines or computers are designed to think and act like humans. It helps machines to learn from experiences, understand language, see and recognize, do tasks on their own. So before AI used to make only text, but now it makes images, and I think in the future it will be like a human. So let's leave all of that and get in in how to create images with AI. So to make an image with ChatGPT, it's simple with some easy steps. So you go to your ChatGPT, like if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll come like so you'll come with the you come to this page. This page is like you're not logged in. So if you log in, you click over here or make an account, sign up, and you put your email address, and you probably need your phone number, and that's all. So I don't need this right now. So after you finish logging in, you come to your like you come to your chat basically. So like wherever you chat you have over here, I don't even know. So next you go to this button, explore chat GPTs. After you come here, you search up image generator. You'll find this in front of you. So it will give you information about what this image generator can do. So you click start chat. So after you start chat, so what do you like? It can generate a lot of images. So I'm gonna search logo. Probably would generate me a logo. So after you come over here, I search logo. So you'll search generate. Actually, I'll write make me a colorful logo. So over here it gave me two options. I don't even know why. So it'll generate you the image, any image you want. I gotta wait. Okay. So over here it generates me two logos, image. So it doesn't have to be a logo. It can be anything. Like, like if I search make me a logo for my YouTube channel. Sorry. Uh, the name is Pro Life it will generate me like so almost generates you everything. But you just need some patience. It takes some time over here to generate a logo or an image. So look, it generate me cool. Actually, that's a very good logo. I can't lie. That's very good. So as you saw, you can make images with AI. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, because most of the people are watching my video are not subscribed, and I appreciate if you subscribe. As you see over here, the people that are not subscribed. So hit the like button, subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.